What's happening, y'all? Just here messing around with this expansion kit by the name of Meteoric Rise. Meteoric Rise. One of my 9 for 99 I got. You guys didn't get that deal? Dude, gotta wait for that deal to come around again then, I guess. That was a hell of a deal, man. So anyway, this is one of the expansions I pick up, but just going through some of the different kits and I getting expired, you know. See what I could get put in here. Got some really good stuff in here, man. Good inspiration, man. I ain't gonna lie. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Here we go. When I heard that one, I was like, yeah, that's it right there. So loading a template, some of my favorite instrument and my favorite drums for making, of course, reggae. What else are you thinking? Reggae. And then I load in this kit by the name of Me Now kit. Yeah, man, this kit is nice. And then I just build a track around it, you know. Do my regular thing, build a track, right? Intro. And just, I got about 5 parts. And this is what I got. Let's go. Hey. Ready. This one a killer. Chorus now. Yeah, man. Dubwise. Yeah. Take it back to the intro. Take it back to the intro, rude boy. Oh, shit. Yeah. Dubwise. Yeah, man, this track nice, man. To the chorus now. Yeah. Yeah, man. And that's what I came up with, man, you know? Yeah. Just from this little groove here, man. That's it. Right? I urge you guys to go through your expansions, man, and just go through them. You know what I mean? And you might find some fire shit in there. You're able to build a beat on, build a whole song on, you know what I mean? That's what I do. You know, whenever I ain't got the total gusto for just finding something on my own or building something on my own, I just go to my packs, my expansions packs, and just flip through them and find something, flip it up, add some stuff to it, add a different element, you know what I mean? And come up with so much, because there's so much things in there. And they all royal free. So use them. You buy them, right? Use them. All right, man. Till the next video. Peace and love, yeah.